In this video, I'm going to be walking you through some of the special features you might find in your Wix Studio website template. Let's dive in. Now we're going to go over a few special features on your Wix Studio website template. So for example, if you go to the preview of the template, you'll notice that a pop-up will come up as you're scrolling down the page. So the way you would edit that pop-up in your website editor, you can either go to your pages and hit the arrow down, and you'll see there's a section called Lightboxes, and you can hit the subscribe and your lightbox will pop up. If you click on this, your side panel will have different ways that you can edit it. You can change the image, the background, image opacity, all these things. And then to edit your form specifically, you can go to settings. This is where you can choose which form you want to use. You can create a new form. You can play with the layout, the design. You can change the background, border, form fields. You can pretty much edit everything. The buttons, and then if you want to change any field within that form, you can go to manage forms, and from here click on the subscribe form, hit edit, and this is where you can edit the form. So if you want to ask for their first name, you just drag and drop it there. You can change the text, you can make it required or not required, and then you can preview your form to see how it's looking. The settings section is where you can change what message will show up once they hit the button. You can say whether or not it always displays or if it just displays for a few seconds. And this is where you can add automations, payment, all kinds of things depending on the plan that you have. And then submissions, this is where you'll see all the submissions to that form when people hit subscribe. So every time you edit a form, just make sure you hit save. And then when you close out of that box, you'll see the update on the website itself. And then to get out of here, let's go back to the home page, and we have another contact form below. So same thing, you can click on the form, hit settings, and you can change layout, design, manage, or if you just hit edit form, it'll take you to that same area where you can drag and drop whatever fields you want to add to that form. So that is the main special feature on this website template. You'll also see a few different things like this box, all editable. You can just manage tabs. You can add a tab, duplicate a tab, and then edit everything within that tab. And then this one also has a facts box, FAQ, yep. So same thing with this, you just click on it and then you can manage the items. You can add an item, you can hit the three dots, duplicate the item, rename, whatever you need to do. And once the item's open, then you're able to adjust everything within this section. So those are the main special features on this template. And then again, in the PDF that you receive, you'll get additional links to Wix tutorials. If you ever have any questions about how to edit anything else, you can refer to that. Also, feel free to email me or ask me any questions as well about your template. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you feel more confident about how you can update and use your Wix Studio website template, don't forget to give it a like. You can also subscribe for more branding tips and website tutorials made for bold creatives just like you. You can shop all of my Wix Studio templates in the link below at my website, cvilladesign.com. And if you need help customizing your template or you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. There's also an option on my website for me to help you customize your Wix Studio template. Thanks again.